Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make donut chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data, the product category and sell some more. So to create the donut chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the pie charts option, and here you can see the last option is the donut charts. Simply click on it, and here you can see your donut chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. So here you can use this all this option to design your chart. So if you want to change the chart style, simply go to the chart design. In chart style group, you can select here the different chart style. Just keep cursor on the every style, and you can see here the preview of the donut chart. See, you can change here the chart style. Just check the preview and just click on the chart style, and you can see your chart style is changed. Okay. If you want to change different layout, go to the chart design. In chart layout, have a second option, quick layout. Just click on this drop down arrow and keep cursor it and see the here the layout is showing the preview. Okay. Just simply click on it to apply the layout. So you can see the layout is changed. If you want to move chart in another sheet, you can easily move this chart. First add here sheet. So I just click on this plus and add the sheet number 2. Now click on the chart and go to the chart design tab. In location group, click on the move chart option. And here you can see one dialog box is open, move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. In second option, object in, the sheet number 1 is default selected. Click on this drop down arrow and select the sheet number 2 to move these charts in sheet number 2. And just click on the OK, and that's it. Here you can see in sheet number 2, your chart is moved, and sheet number 1 have data. Okay. So this is a way you can easily move it. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, you can easily change it. Just simply click on it and go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type, and here you can see the one dialog box open, change chart type. You can see the all chart types is available. You just simply click on it, those you want, and select it, and just click on OK, and that's it. You can see your donut chart is converted in bar chart. Okay, this is a way you can easily change the chart type also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.